started.
Last few years have been a real fun ride for us. Unicommerce has been through many highs and lows. But what has really saved us through is how the team has operated like a family, supported each other, and more importantly, demonstrated immense levels of ownership in very difficult situations. Personally, these high levels of energy and camaraderie of the team is what keeps me motivated to drive the organization towards next frontier of growth.
I'm really proud of what my team has achieved over the last few years. We have come a long way from doing gut-driven development, where decision making was very subjective, to doing impact-driven development.
Hey guys, so let me tell you about the sales function at Unicommerce. So I'll begin with the first team we started first in Unicommerce, which is my SMB team, which has been doing great from the day one. Then we started with the enterprise team maybe 3 years back, I would say, and we all know the success. So doing great, a lot of great logos we are acquiring month on month and doing very, very aggressive. The third team which I would like to say is our international team, which is actually hustling, and we are really looking at acquiring markets like Dubai, Singapore, Middle East, specifically Riyadh, which is like in KSA and markets like that. So that's where our investment is going to be. We are going to focus too much in the years to come. Let's see how we grow.
First of all, I want to congratulate the entire team and the company for completing 8 years. All of this has been thanks to the unrelenting efforts of each of the team members that have been with us throughout this time. Every day we keep seeing new products, new developments happening, and it is a very, very exciting time to be with Unicommerce. I wish everybody all the best and hope to see everybody as a part of the journey.
I remember the journey with Unicommerce when we had less than 100 clients and 40 working professionals, which has now grown to 10,000 plus clients and 150 plus working professionals. Being such a tremendous and rewarding journey is really worthy. This is not possible without great team efforts.
My journey over the Unicommerce, it has been marvelous. I have started with a very small client range, and now we have exceeded up and reached up to the 10 times clients in this. So we had increased and been with the team support.
In 2014, e-commerce was booming in the Indian market. I got an opportunity to join an organization which is a backbone for the e-commerce industry in the Indian market. The best culture of Unicommerce is an open culture.
We work hard and party harder.
Unicommerce is a workplace fun because of me.
I love dancing. Be a part of one of the activity that we had recently.
The entire journey of going through a football tournament was an amazing journey for all of us.
Yeah, it was fun playing with people who I've not met. I met Rohit for the first time when he was on my team. And
best moment was the football semi-finals. Though we lost it, but we enjoyed it.
Whatever it takes, I own it.
An environment where people take complete ownership of their work and trust each other is something that I have been privileged to get in Unicommerce, and I really love that about.
And being with Unicommerce gives me a greater sense of flexibility and ownership, especially when I know that my work provides a real world impact.
Customer centricity equals to success.
Being customer centric is something we really admire in our day-to-day work culture.
I like to stay uncomplicated. Da Vinci said simplicity is ultimate sophistication. I think it's as true for running an organization as it is for art. At Unicommerce, a lot of effort is put to simplify processes and communication, which in turn increases our overall productivity and ease of work every day.
Speed and deep dive is a lethal combination.
Coming from the strategy background, I feel creating a balance between deep dive and speed is really important because it allows us to stay ahead of our competitors, and Unicommerce has been able to do so right from the start.
Unicommerce, as part of technology team, we work on a highly complex engineering problems which required us deep dive into problem statement, thinking globally, helping us to define a problem solution generically that results into robust delivery.
The enterprise team, I have been working as a manager enterprise sales. It gives us an opportunity to interact with multiple brands in different categories. Our system is open to accept changes
As of now, we are onboarding 3 to 4 clients in a month, which we are doing in a quarter. Main factor behind this huge success was mindset.
My engineers are managing more business than ever before while still being very lean. The orders to dev ratio is one of the best in the industry, and that is something I'm really proud of.
My salesperson says never back down. They are all self-motivated, really proud of my sales team, and I wish all the good luck to my team.
It's the best professional company to work for, not just because they have the best work-life balance. They've got a great culture.
As a part of the HR team, we have been and we want to continue bringing the best of the talent to our existingly awesome e-commerce team.
HRs are no longer transactional in nature, we are rather business partners.
Our prerogative is to design such value-driven employee experiences that facilitate increased productivity and customer success. I want to thank all my team members for working towards one goal, make Unicommerce a great place to work. Kudos to the success.
Really proud of this Unicommerce team. Kudos Unicommerce.
We love Unicommerce.